Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the camera settings on Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. So first, open the camera app, and right here you can turn on the location tag. I will cancel. First, in normal photo mode, we have only options right here on the top. We have flash, the timer before the taking photo, the size of a photo, motion photos, and filters. When you go to the video, you also have super steady mode, and you can change the resolution. In more, we can select Pro. In Pro, as you can see right here on the bottom, we have a couple of options more. You can manually select the ISO, shutter speed, here the exposure, focus, and the white balance. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.